The SEW-EURODRIVE How-To Series. Adjusting a brake. All steps shown should occur with the equipment powered down and lockout-tagout procedures in place before beginning any work. You will need the following tooling for adjusting the brake: a metric feeler gauge, an 8mm nut driver, and a crescent wrench or metric box wrench of the appropriate size. For details on what the proper adjustment settings are for your brake, please refer to section 8.2 of the operating instructions shown. Loosen the 4 fan guard screws, but don't remove them completely. Slightly twist the fan guard counterclockwise and remove from the motor. Verify the brake type to determine the proper adjustment value as found in the operating instructions. Remove the rubber belly band. When inserting the feeler gauge, it is important to not place it between the brake coil and dampening plate. Rather, insert the feeler gauge between the dampening plate and the stationary disc as shown. After selecting the lowest permissible feeler gauge value, insert the gauge into the air gap, then tighten the adjustment nut until the air gap matches the feeler gauge thickness. You should be able to remove the feeler gauge with minimal effort. Repeat this process for the remaining adjustment nuts. Reinstall the brake belly band. Make sure the fan guard slot for the hand release aligns with the brake release area. Slide the fan guard into place and rotate clockwise until resting against the screws. Tighten the 4 fan guard screws. Your brake is now adjusted. For more how-to videos like this one, subscribe to our SEW-EURODRIVE USA YouTube page. Thanks for watching.